AI is changing the rule of investing fast. Are your strategies about to become obsolete? Will AI make you richer or leave you behind? Because by now it's clear, the world is going to be divided between the investors who leverage AI to profit and those who are going to lose. So, in which group do you want to be? I'm Adri, I've been investing for almost 20 years, and when I began to make a discounted cash flow valuation, it took me almost 2 days of research. Now, AI like ChatGPT and Gemini can run a complete stock valuation in 5 minutes. The speed of change that we have seen in the last 2 years with LLMs, it's incredible. It's exciting, but frankly, it's very scary. I believe AI is both great and terrible for investors. Let's see together how, because one thing is clear, AI is a game changer. Everything is going to change. Let's start with the good news. Artificial intelligence, it's already a super assistant for any investors. It can summarize anything almost perfectly. Here I have a thank you report from Booking. Summarize. Boom! It does an incredible job. But you want more details? Ask anything. For example, how much was spent on marketing? Booking Holdings spent $1,777 million on marketing expenses. Some websites like Qualtrim have already integrated a summarize function, so we can read the earnings call in like 2 minutes. Now, this might seem like a small feature, but it's actually leveling the investing field. Just some years ago, and only big institutions had this kind of reports available. It was someone's job to make these reports so others could read them, but only people with money were able to afford them. Now, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini and do it for free. But AI can do more, much more. With a good prompt, AI can analyze almost anything. For example, lately I wanted to evaluate the management of several companies, but that's an extremely boring and long task, and actually I always ended up introducing my biases inside the results. Now it's no problem, you can just ask AI to do it for you. Evaluate health beauty management skills and research if their interests align with the shareholders. Consistent sales growth, focus on innovation, brand building, insider ownership 2%, strong historical performances, concerns, class actions lawsuits, insider selling. No hours of research, no biases, just a smart helper doing the heavy lifting in seconds. I find it quite fun, let's test it on something harder. My analysis, the value ratio, points out that Palantir is currently very overvalued, but online I'm hearing a lot of people suggesting to buy the stock. We want a neutral opinion. I have no idea what Gemini is going to say. Let's see. Make a discounted cash flow for Palantir, make all the assumptions at the best of your abilities, and give me a final value per share. I'm timing it, I already told you I needed 2 days of research for this, and now AI did it in 38 seconds. Today price is around $120, let's see the final valuation. If it's over $50, I will strongly disagree. Final value per share, $13.32. I love it, that's really good. Actually, I think I have my own value around $20, and this doesn't mean that Palantir is doomed. It means AI can give you a fast, unbiased opinion against the market hype. And if you buy today, the risk of losing money is quite high because Palantir is priced almost to perfection. That's it. I promise soon we will move to the negative. Let me do just one more. Let's try together with a company that I believe it's undervalued. Abercrombie, ticker ANF. Run a discounted cash flow on ANF. While it ran the calculations, I want to say that as humans, we are still smarter than any AI. Probably not for long, but at the moment, you are still smarter. On the other hand, if you are like me, you're probably busy, you're probably lazy, You probably have better things to do than research or read the curriculum vitae of the SoFi CFO or reading 50 pages of 10Q every 3 months. AI can do all of that for you, so you can focus on what it really matters. Okay, Abercrombie results. I'm down big, currently price is around 70, I bought it at 103. If the valuation is lower than 100, I'm going to disagree. 136.06. Okay, I would say even $160, but I would be happy to see 136 after earnings. Do you see how powerful this is? You can summarize, analyze, and learn basically anything. It's not perfect. It's far from perfect. If it's something is very important, you should always double check it. But again, it's very fast, it's quite reliable, and it's very, very good. As I was saying before, we are still more intelligent, but for how long? And here is the scary part. In my opinion, not for long. It took me years of work and study to invent my own valuation method, to try to have an edge over other investors, to try to beat the market. Well, all of that, it will not matter anymore. All of that for nothing. We will just be able to ask AI, what's a good investment? And since AI will be more intelligent, will have more information, will not have any emotion whatsoever, it will just be a better investor than us. I mean, we can tell ourselves, it's not gonna be like this. I will always be more intelligent than a machine, but are we? I was a child, but I remember when Kasparov, the chess world champion, lost for the first time against a computer, Deep Blue, in 97. Today, Magnus Carlsen, the Mozart of chess, loses all the time against Stockfish, that in turn loses against the artificial intelligence AlphaZero. It's just a matter of time. In some years, not even Warren Buffett will be able to beat an AI investor. Could it be that big finance will try to stop it, control it, slow it down, limit it? Perhaps, but I don't think they can. I heard people saying that all this capex invested in AI is too much. But the first company that developed an AI investor that beat the market, it will break the game and make a shit tons of money. I believe we are at a crossroad. If we have open or cheap access to the power of artificial intelligence, we will see the market become way more rational, way more efficient, and we will see the golden age of retail investors because big institutions will not have anymore any edge above us. AI, the power of AI will level the field. But if the best AI is not public and only a few number of very powerful people and corporations will have access to it, they will beat everybody else. They will be able to achieve an extreme amount of concentrated wealth, even more than today. We are already living in a world with extreme wealth concentration. If this goes wrong, it will get even worse. My suggestion for you, start using AI every day. Use a very good AI model. Currently, Google Gemini is on top. By the way, another very good reason to be long on Google. But use AI as an investment assistant. I'm sure you will make fewer mistakes and you will improve your performance. Are you already using AI for your investing? What's your biggest win and what's your biggest fear? Let me know in the comments and tell me, do you like this topic? Do you want me to make another video about the best prompts for investing? Thank you for watching Ad Economics. Like, subscribe. See you next week. Peace out.